little busy with my actual day job, so I haven't had a lot of time to do any customizing work. So I finished up a couple big projects. So I'll get back to working on some customs, which actually worked out good. Allowed the time for the top coats to really cure really well. So I'm going to do some masking, so I can do some dull coat on here and gloss coat on here. This prime's getting close to finishing up. There's not much left to do with it. It says I'm going to do the masking. I need to paint the alternate face, which I can do it if anybody's wanting to. I can go do a tutorial on how I paint eyes for this one. Have the other head already done. And I need to attach the magnets to the cape and paint the triangle on the back for the P symbol. Let's get masking. What I use for masking, I used to use the old blue painter's tape, which I'll use some of it on here to save this stuff. For edge work, I use the Tamiya masking tape. I got it in 3 different sizes, and there's some cat hair. Let's get that off before we start. Have this up on my work desk, and the cats like to get on my work desk upstairs, and they like to jump on my desk. That's why I try to do most of my customizing down here. Alrighty. I want to mask off the gold areas. I don't want, and so I can do a dull coat onto the. I'm gonna do the spray testers. Ooh, I might try I got some Tamiya dull coat. I may try it out on this project. Alright, let's get some masking done. I got 2 new hobby knives, sharp blades. I'll use the wide tape. I'm just going to cover the entire pieces, and I come back with a hobby knife and trim out the edge. Okay, got everything covered. Let's go ahead and start trimming the tape out. You'll apply just enough pressure to go through the tape, but you don't want to cut into your paint. A little extra tape over the top of the P. Don't want any dull coat bleeding through. The torso is ready to go. We're going to start working on the legs now. We're ready for dull coat and gloss. One boot down, one to go. Alright, we're ready for some paint.
The next day.
Alright, we've had time to let the paint cure. Let's go ahead and remove the masking tape on these parts. Nice and shiny boot. Already did the other leg. Sorry, got the masking tape off. Let's go ahead and remove the tape from the torso. Looking good. There we go. We got two different type of finishes. We've got more of a duller matte. Actually a mix between a matte and a satin. I hit it with a flat coat, then a satin coat, then mist it just a little bit of more dull coat over top of the satin, so I can get the same texture I got on the legs. On the top, on the skin, that is the semi-gloss to match everything else I've done with the skin. A little glossier texture. Yeah, I think we're ready actually to start putting the main body together. Let's go ahead and get the boots together. Need the other foot. There we go. That boot is on. The other shoe on the boot. Second boot. Let's go ahead and get the feet on first, the legs on first. There we got his big tree trunk legs on. Now, arm popped in place. Other arm in. We got the smiling head done. We'll go ahead and put it on. There we have a prime pretty well put together. Now this one's almost done. Only thing left to do now, I need to finish up painting the alternate head, the more stern face, and on the capes I have a wired cape that I ordered off eBay. It's listed to be for the SH Figuarts Shao Kahn figure, but it fits this mold perfectly. I'll put some magnets in the cape, and I'll paint the triangle on the back of the cape and apply a water slide for the P symbol. And on this prime, I have magnets embedded into the traps on this prime. So, put a cape on, it will hold on. Alrighty, that'll be it for this video. I'll catch y'all next time.